So why did we choose an electric cremator? After the old ovens were in use for 17 years, we needed to change the operating devices. And after the first choice of changing the ovens with the similar use of gas ovens, after the last development of the worldwide gas market prices, we reconsidered the entire investment and decided to make a change, a complete change in the use of ovens, choosing an electrical devices for reasons of the gas prices versus electric energy prices, and of course environmental considerations. Talking about the installation of the devices, I have to say that it was really challenging because the entire building set up around the beginning of the 19th. The building is protected by the cultural authorities, so it could not be touched and there could be no intervention on the building itself. So the installation of the devices was really challenging, but I have to say the coordination between the supplier company and the engineering enterprises could make the installation without any problem. The most environmental benefits are very easy to describe, and first of all, the absolutely lower environmental emissions in the air, which are dramatically reduced by over 80%. So this is fundamental. And last but not least, also the noise emissions are significantly lower, which makes the entire working condition much more better for the employees and for people working. As I mentioned before, we chose an electrical device, so we made a selection between different suppliers in Switzerland and in Europe. So we chose DFW for the simple reason of the quality of the product standards and also for the dimension and the sizes of the ovens, as we had strict restrictions about the sizes of the ovens. So we could not exceed certain sizes, and DFW met absolutely all the requirements.